Too much of a good thing, and I think we can in Wales the record of 1920 has been broken, and we're probably easily going to break that 18th century record with the rain still to come. And Scotland is doing much the same thing. Now, most of this rain has come from a depression that's been south of Iceland for a couple of weeks now and has been pumping showers in with plenty of moisture, often they're banding together. Now, that's not going to change immediately. A similar sort of scenario will be with us during Monday. But later in the week, there is a substantial change. From the southwesterlies that we have at the moment, we swing round to southeast and then easterlies, and for a time quite strong easterlies. So a completely different complexion to the weather. With the wind, I'm afraid, also more rain, and a hint even of a very cold start to next weekend. That's not certain, but the change in the middle of the week is pretty definite. There's a fairly deep low heading our way, and with it a good deal of rain. Now, the northern extent of that rain is very hard to determine, but it seems fairly likely most of us will get some of us will get an awful lot. The low, once established over us, will be with us through Wednesday, Thursday, and indeed Friday, with a hint of even bringing some very nasty weather to the east coast back, low cloud and cold winds. But for the immediate future, we've got the showers, once again generating from the southwest, crossing the whole country. These bands here from Cambridgeshire southward, for example, and this one in Greater Manchester, Liverpool area, quite heavy with thunder reported. The shower's just gone through London, that's the sort of thing you'll see, and once they've gone through, the sun comes out. That's the picture for the afternoon. More persistent rain in Northern Ireland and not much at all in northwestern Scotland. Temperatures today reflect really much of the rest of the week, except when it rains heavily. A chilly night, touch of ground frost here and there, not a major problem. Then a fine start to Monday for most of England and indeed Scotland, but misty. The showers once again starting in the west and generating themselves virtually anywhere in the afternoon. Probably fewer in the southeast corner than is the case at the moment. Showery regime back from Northern Ireland and showers back into the northwestern part of Scotland, but essentially a fairly similar day with similar temperatures. And then on Tuesday, the showers will probably be largely confined to Scotland, with a fine start from most of the country, a bit of sunshine. But the rain on that depression is on its way into the southwest and will cover much of England and Wales by the time the day is out, with strong winds. On Wednesday, it continues its progress northwards with strong easterlies developing and showers to follow afterwards. By the end of the week, the east-west split is established.